Today, we have something really exciting to talk about, the Huawei Pura 17 Ultra. Ever found yourself in a remote area with no network coverage? Well, Huawei's got you covered with its innovative satellite communication feature. Let's dive right in. Now, one of the coolest features of the Huawei Pura 17 Ultra is its satellite image sending capability. Imagine being able to stay connected with your loved ones even in the most remote locations where regular networks fail to reach. Recently, Bruce Lee showcased how this groundbreaking feature works, and let me tell you, it's pretty impressive. The satellite picture sending feature works seamlessly through the Changlian app. With just a few taps, you can send images via satellite to your contacts, keeping them updated on your adventures or ensuring communication during emergencies. And here's the best part. Even if your contacts don't have the Changlian app installed, they can still receive text messages, keeping the lines of communication open no matter what. This feature is designed to provide real-time updates on a location's status, enhancing communication capabilities and ensuring that help can be summoned when needed most. Now it's important to note that images sent via satellite may undergo compression processes, which could result in some blurriness or distortion. That's why this feature is primarily intended for emergency situations where clarity might take a backseat to urgency. But wait, there's more. Huawei didn't stop there. They also equipped the Pura 70 Ultra with dual satellite communication, which could be a literal lifesaver in remote or poorly connected areas like deserts or isolated regions. With this feature, users can send text messages or the precise location via satellite, making it easier to request rescue or assistance when needed. And if you opt for the top-tier model, the Pura 70 series, you'll not only get satellite texting and calling capabilities, but also the ability to edit messages that have already been sent, all without any additional cost. You can make calls even without cellular network coverage. Utilizing the Titan 1 satellite phone communication system and China's self-developed network, Huawei ensures reliable satellite voice and additional services. Plus, with wireless communication supported by advanced fusion technology incorporating the Linksy antenna, Linksy network, and Linksy AI algorithm, you can expect a more reliable and stable communication experience even in areas with weak signal conditions. So there you have it, folks. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is truly a game changer when it comes to staying connected in any situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and until next time, peace out.